All right, so today we're going to learn one of the most famous drum fills of all time, and that is from Phil Collins's In the Air Tonight. Now, before we break it down, I'm just going to give you a little demo, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so that's the fill, okay? Now, it is slightly different to how he actually plays it, because if anyone can picture Phil Collins, they'll know that his drum kit has, 10 massive toms spanning all the way around. And we're adapting this to a standard rock drum kit so that it can be used in ordinary gigging situations. Okay, so the way we move this around, we use both of our hands when we're playing this and at the same time. And we use them in coordination with our right foot. And we go around the toms in groups of 3s, okay? So we'll have a look at the first grouping. The first grouping is going from the high tom here, okay? And you play twice on the high tom and once on the right foot, as so, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll play that again. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And the next grouping, right after that, is our left hand on the high tom, our right hand on the middle tom, and we play the same rhythm. We're just putting it in different spots, okay? 1, 2, 3. All right. And the next one is over here on the middle tom, just like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then the next one, we do it between the floor tom and the middle tom, like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we'll just put everything we've done together so far. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we've done groupings of 3 all the way around. And the last one we play are 2 big hits on the floor tom with both our hands, like this. 1, 2. So let's put them all together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, kick. All right, and that's the famous drum fill. I'll play it at speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, there you go.